Hi, good morning, sir.
Morning.
Yes.
My name is Amala, and I'm elected Vice President of Sunrise English Private School, Abu Dhabi. I'm thankful for this opportunity. The Indian National Congress has been successful over 188 years, starting from the period of Dr. Annie Besant to transgenders being included in the central politics. My question is that women in the rural areas, the heart of India, has not been given much opportunities or attention compared to the women that we have on the central politics. So what will be your programs to actually, make the rural women the attention of central politics? And I would also like to know, most of the kids in India have underwent child abuse and child mortality, and how would you change in case if you become the Prime Minister of India?
Okay, by the way, there's the first statement you made is actually wrong. Because if you look at our political system, and if you look at our political system, maximum women's representation in our political system is actually at the village level. So we have reservation for women in Panchayati Raj, meaning all the local elections in villages and small town areas, all of them have reservations for women. And women are playing a very, very aggressive and active role in the local political scenario. That has not actually happened at the national scenario. And we are currently fighting to put reservations for women in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. And so that is work in progress. I think that will be a big step when we give reservation to women in the Houses of Parliament. But in the rural areas, actually, they've moved ahead of the Parliament. There's been very powerful programs, particularly in the southern states, microfinance programs and self-help group programs, which have connected women to the banking system. And it's actually been revolutionary in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. The real problem is in North India, where the attitude towards women and the sort of approach towards women is just wrong. And it's extremely discriminatory and offensive. And I think that's where we have to change people's minds. But in South India, women's incorporation into the political system, incorporation into the economy has done pretty well comparatively. So it's a mixed bag. I think Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, this belt is where we really have to push women's empowerment and women's role in politics. It's something that we are doing, but it's difficult. Now, you're vice president, so when are you joining us?
Good one.
I really like politics, and my father is a really good politician too. As far as, coming into the limelight, I've been thought of IFS in case if I pass the civil service with nice marks, but politics is something which I have to, really look on to, and, I need a lot of support and courage to become.
If you're interested, come and talk to some of us, and we'll at least explain to you what it looks like and the type of experiences that you will face.
And you might change your mind.
You might change your mind.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you.
Because you
I
have
think
to have a thick
We
skin.
have no time.
One last
Unfortunately, we do not have time for
Last
more
question.
questions. Okay, maybe one more.
Sam is
question.
always in a
A
hurry.
medical
One last
question,
question,
sir.
sir.
A medical question.